Hello everyone, my name is Yogi. I am Aptitude lead of team 13, Prithvi. I hope everyone is fine and doing well. So today I will be making video on two reasoning topics. Since no one like to watch lengthy videos, so I will try to make it short and to the point. And at the end of the video, I will provide some links so that you can practice aptitude from there. So let's not waste time and start with the video. Two topics that I have taken are coding decoding, and dice problems. Coding decoding has two subtopics: alphabet numbering and reverse alphabet and their numbering. These two topics are the base of the reasoning, so we must do them properly. Let's give it a try to this question first. You can pause your video and try this question. Here we can see that A is opposite of Z and Y is opposite of B. So from here we can guess that opposite alphabets are taken. So opposite of A will be Z and opposite of Z. So we can eliminate third option as well as first option. Now we are left with two options, and in both the option we have similar terms, similar characters, except for the E and F character. Last third, U. Opposite of U is F. So we can say that second is the correct answer. How I was able to guess that? Let's see. Let's move to next slide. Alphabet numbering. In alphabet numbering, we have to remember the number of first these three alphabets. That is 7, 14 and 21. That's the table of 7. Since they are on the edge, we have to remember them as such. And since A, B, C, D, E, F, these are the starting alphabets, so everyone remember their number. And same is with the X, Y, Z. We can easily guess that they are 24, 25 and 26. Coming to H, if we connect the lower part and the upper part of H, it will be somewhat like 8 only. So we can remember H is 8. When teacher asks us question, and if we know question, what we say? I know. I know. So I will be 9. Coming to J, small j is written like this with a dot over it. If this dot fell this side, it will be somewhat like this only, this. So we can say j is 10. It looks somewhat similar to 10. So j is 10. K is a fashionable person and undisciplined too. He always stand cross leg. So let's straight his leg. And when we straight his leg, it will be like 11. So K will be 11. Next to K is L. Then we can remember that if K is 11, then L will be 12. Coming to M. If we look at it carefully, it's like a 3 fallen, a fallen 3. So when we make it straight, it will be somewhat like this. We can then we can easily guess that it would be 13. Same is with W. W is also like a fallen 3. When we rotate it, it will be somewhat like this only, and we can easily guess that it will be 23. So from here we can guess it easily. O, we have to remember O. O is 15. And next to O, if O is 15, then we can easily guess P will be 16. Coming to Q, Q has an extra slash. Same is the case with the 7. 7 also has an extra slash. So we can easily guess it will be 17. If Q is 17, then R will be 18. Coming to T, we have T20 matches. T20. So we can easily remember T is 20th. And if T is 20, then S will be 19. An alphabet earlier to T. If we remember U is 21, then we will be able to guess V will be 22. Coming to next slide. Okay, here we are seeing the reverse, the opposite alphabet. So since A and B are the starting one, we can easily remember them. Same is the case with M and N. They are the middle alphabets, so we can easily remember that. Coming to C, opposite of C will be X. We have Christmas, and in our WhatsApp language we write it as Xmas. So C for Christmas and X for Xmas. So opposite of C will be X. Same is with, okay, here D and W. I have made it for my own purpose, so I have taken a air Dudwala. You can take anything else. It looks stupid and funny, but if it's solving the purpose, then it's okay. From here we can remember D and W are opposite of each other. E and V, empty, vacant, both have similar meaning, so we can remember E and V. F and U, fair, unfair, both are opposite to each other. From here we can remember F and U. GT, we can remember it as GT Road. GT Road, earlier it was NH1. It was the longest highway of India, made by Sher Sasuri. Coming to H and S, high school. IR, we can remember it as Indian Railway. JQ, Jaldi Q, means was the hurry. Jaldi Q, we can remember it like this. KP, Kapil, we can remember it as Kapil Sharma, the TV actor, sorry. LO, love. In love, we have both the words. So we can, from here we can remember, and L is opposite of O. So this way we can remember these alphabets. Coming to the questions. First, I have taken easy questions. I have taken 5 questions. Starting will be easier and then difficult one. Here we can directly see that D is 4, A is 1, Z is 26, and E is 5. So it was an easy guess. Coming to boy will be 2, B for 2, O number is 15, and Y number is 25. So 2, 15 and 25. 2, 15 and 25. First option will be correct. Coming to second question. Here, teacher is coded as this, and we have to find for Earth. What will be Earth coded as? So since we have done opposite alphabets, we can easily see that opposite of T will be GT road. Opposite of E will be empty, vacant. Opposite of A is Z. C, Christmas, Xmas. H, opposite of H will be high school. And opposite of E, empty, vacant. And opposite of R, Indian Railway. So opposite, it is coded as opposite. Coming to Earth, what will be opposite of E? Opposite of E will be empty, vacant. Opposite of A, Z. Opposite of R, GT road, G. Sorry, R, Indian Railway. Opposite of T, GT, GT Road. Opposite of H, S, High School. So what will be the answer? ZVIGS. Third will be the correct answer. Coming to third question. If RT is related to Vx and BD is related to FH in the same way kilometer is. Okay. Here we can either directly calculate from here that how much V is from R and how much X is from T, or we can do one thing, we can write down the number. Since we know the number, it will be easy for us since we are good with numbers, so we can easily do from there. R is 18 and T is 20, whereas V is U. As I told you, we have to remember U is 21, so next to U is V, that will be 22, and X will be 24. So how much it is? It is plus 4, and same is the case with here, plus 4. In both the case, plus 4 has been done. Let's check it with BD and FH. B is 2, and whereas D is 4, and F is 6, and H is 8. I told you na, we have to just join the lower part and the upper part, it will be similar to 8. So 2 plus 4, 6, and 4 plus 4, 8. So our logic is correct. Let's apply it to kilometer. K is 11, the fashionable guy. M 3 that has fallen down, so it will be 13. Now let's add 4 to each. 4, if we add 4 to 11, 15, and 4 to 13, it will be 17. So what will be our answer? 15 is O and 17 is Q. I told you na, Q also has a hyphen and 7 also has a hyphen. So OQ will be our answer. So OQ will be answer. Coming to next question. Here, in certain coding language, if Go is 32 and C is 49, then sum will be equal to. Okay. First of all, in this type of question, we will check for the addition of the alphabet number. If here G is 7 and O is 15, so it will be 15 plus 7, 22. So it's not same. So this logic goes wrong. We will clear it. In most of the reasoning question, only 4 logics work. That is add, subtract, square, and cube. 80% of the question will get solved by these 4 logics. It was about the numericals numbers, but here we are working with alphabets. So in alphabet, we will first we will check with the addition of the alphabet, then we will go with the reverse. So opposite of G is GT road. So T will be opposite of G, and opposite of O will be L, love, LO. So L is opposite of O. If somehow if we forget, then one more way is there. That is 27 minus the alphabet will give the opposite alphabet. Here 27 alphabet. So let's say we have, I don't remember the opposite of O, but I remember the number of O. Number of O is 12. So if I minus it, it will be 5. 2 minus 1, 1. 15. 15 is Mm, sorry, O is 15. Let me erase it and correct it. O is 15. And if I don't remember the opposite of O, then I will 27 minus 15. That will give me 12. So 12 is L. So that's another way I can find out the opposite of O. So when we add it, G opposite of G is T and O opposite is L. T is 20 and L is 12. So how much it will be? 2 and 3, 32. Yeah, it giving 32 only. So our logic is correct. Let's check with C. Opposite of S will be high school, H. Opposite of H will be S, high school, empty, vacant, V. So let's add number there. H is 8, S is 19. Since T is 20, T 20, then 1 minus S will be 19. V, U is 21, so V will be 22. 22. How much it will be on addition? 8 plus 22 will be 30. 10, 40 plus 9, 49. Okay, so 49. So our logic is correct. We have checked with the both. Let's work on the same logic to find out what sum will be equal to. Opposite of S will be H. Opposite of O will be L. Opposite of M will be N. Opposite of E will be empty, vacant. So H is 8, L is 12, N is 14, since M is 13. I told you it's a fallen 3. And V is 22. This way 22 plus 8 will be 30 plus 10, 10 from both sides, 20 plus 6. How much it will be? 20, 56. So that's so D will be answer. Going to the next question. Sorry, this way. So whenever we see alphabet question, we don't have to just jump to the logic. We start adding the number, or we just looking at the reverse of the number or opposite. Nothing like that. We have to first give it a simple try. If it is being solved with the simple logic, then that is also okay. Here there is no, we can see that there is no logic. O is not somehow any related to A or E. So here what is the logic? O is related to A, U, B, G, C, H, D, and T, E. So what T is E, and what O is A. Okay, it's same, OUG. So we can directly write A, B, C, and D. So this will be our answer. Which one it will be? So none of them is given here. So we will take fifth option, none, and fifth will be our answer. Moving ahead, let me first clear the screen. Moving to next slide, next topic. So our next topic is dice. Dice are of three types. First we have simple dice, second an open dice, and this open dice can be represented in multiple forms. Like here we have in middle, these two arms are in middle, and here at the end we have these two arms. So how to solve the dice question? Dice question can take a lot of time if people start imagining how the dice will look and what will be the opposite of it. But in exam we have to just, we don't have time, so we will use a trick. What the trick is that we will take in such type of question, usually we take two dice. We don't require third dice, it's just for the time pass. So in we will look at the common alphabet which is there on the dice. Since F is the common here, we will rotate from here. We will rotate either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Same will go here, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, whichever we do in the first dice. Let's say I am going here clockwise in the first dice. So F going clockwise, we have D, then we have A. Apply the same rule on the second dice. F, then C, then E. So what will be opposite? A will be opposite of E and D will be opposite of C. And what is left? A, B. B is not there. So we will make one of the F B. Since there are two, there can't be two F. So we make one of them B. So F will be opposite of B. This way we can solve the dice equation. And let's go to next slide. B, F, C, D, and right. That was our drawing. Uh, A, A is opposite of A, C, D, and F, B, right. Coming to next. As I told you earlier, we are good with numbers. Human are good with number. Uh, so we will convert these dots to number first. We'll write down the number representing them. 1, 2, and 5. Same here. 1, 4, and 5. Okay. Here we have two faces are common. 1 and 5. So in such type of dice, when two faces are common, the third face will get automatically equal, opposite. Sorry, not equal but opposite. So 2 will be opposite of 4. 1, 5, and 1, 5. We will write down the like this. So we have two number missing, that is 3 and 6. 3 and 6 can come anywhere. Either 3 can come here or 3 can come here. We don't have third dice, otherwise we would have find out where the 3 will come. 6 can also come here or here. So answer will be 2 and 4, and 1 can be either with 3 or 6. Same is with the 5. 5 can be with 3 or 6. Mm, yeah, here we can see that 2 is opposite of 4. 2 is opposite of 4 in both the or 1 can be with 3 or it can be with 6, and 5 can be with 6 or 5 can be with 3. If we look at the first question that we solved here, when we have when we have two face of the dice are same, so the third face will automatically get opposite. So F will be opposite of B, and AD will remain same. So this is similar to what we have done in second, but here third dice is given, so we can easily calculate from here that F is common here, and we can go by the same rule. So if two dice are given and two faces are common, so we will require third dice to solve that question. Coming to third question, we will follow the same rule. Either go clockwise or anti-clockwise. In last time I went clockwise. This time I will go anti-clockwise. Same with the second dice, anti-clockwise. So first we have alpha, then we have delta, then we have infinity. For second dice, we have alpha, we have beta, and we have theta. So theta is opposite of infinity and delta is opposite of beta, and we don't have the sixth element, so alpha will remain alpha. So if we look at the answer, alpha is opposite of alpha, Infinity is opposite of theta and delta is opposite of beta. Okay, so our answer is correct. Let's get to the next question. In this type of these are open dice where this face will be opposite to this and this will be opposite to this face, and the remaining two face will be opposite to each other. So star will be opposite of hash and percentage will be opposite of greater than, and what left, dollar sign will be or. Let's check our answer. Star is opposite of hash and percentage greater than. Right, our answer is correct. Let's move to the next question. Same goes here. First will be opposite of third, second will be opposite of fourth, and the remaining two faces will be opposite of each other. So will be opposite of an empty, and empty rectangle will be opposite of dark rectangle, and dark face will be opposite of light. So let's check. So our answer is correct. Dark is opposite of white and black is opposite of white. Right. Now coming to links. Here I have provided few links to where we can go and prepare our prepare for our aptitude. So first link is of Geeks for Geek. Here 10 sets are given. Sets are given. Each set carry 10 question. We can do one set per day. Then there is placement fresherworld.com. There also question are given of aptitude. And then Marinotes and Sen Foundry also mathematic aptitude question are given. Let me show you there. This is Sen Foundry. On Sen Foundry, we have question, aptitude question. We can solve from there, and from here we can choose the topic which we want to choose. And on Marinotes also, we can choose the topic, and we have question, and we have solution also. You answer. It will show us how we have solved it. And then third site was Geek for Geek. On Geek for Geek, set are given. Like this is of Cognizant company placement paper. Set 1 is given. Same way we can go for set 2 or set 3 here on the left side. Their set are given. We can attempt from there. I think 10 question are there. So we can attempt from here. Along with that, there is placement fresherworld.com. Here question aptitude question answers are given. We can choose the topic and go for it. At the end we are provided with the answer also. So that was all from my side. Thank you guys.